my Starry Creative YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to make this simple crochet muffler for kids. So let's start. So usually for kids I take length around 4 feet and the width 6 inch. That's only for a single wrap muffler, and for the double wrap muffler for kids I take around 5.5 feet length and 6 inch width. So let's start. So this I'll be showing for the reference, like I'll be doing the design from top to bottom. So first I'll be showing you the simple crochet of the bricks, then at the end I'll be doing the zigzag pattern crochet. Guys, for reference I'll be taking 30 chain. Okay, this is only for a reference, like I'll be showing from the bottom to top how to do this. Okay, so first chain for the 4 feet muffler, it's like around 150 chain, and for the 5.5 feet muffler it's like approximately it comes around 300 chain. So let's start. So at the end take extra 3 chain. Okay, then double crochet, leave 3 chain, 1 2 3, and do the double crochet on the 4th chain. Take 1 chain, then leave 1 chain from here, then do the double crochet in the 2nd chain. Then 1 chain, leave the 1 chain from down, and the 2nd chain do the double crochet. So likewise you have to complete the first row like this. Did the first row, so now we have to turn this row. Take 3 chain, 1 2 3, then double crochet on the first block, again single chain, then double crochet in the 2nd, chain, again double crochet in the the second row. Likewise you have to complete the second row. So it's shown here, second row. So guys, I have completed the second row and I had cut the yarn at the end. Now you will take any other colored yarn. So I'll be doing this design now. So for that it will be like the same as the first and the second row stitch. So 3 chain, double crochet, the second block. Okay, so again single chain, double crochet, third block, crochet. So like this you have to complete this third row. So at the end take one stitch and cut the yarn, because now next we are going to use the same yarn which we used for the first and the second row. The stitch is going to be same, so only the color is different. The color of the yarn will be different. Three chain, double crochet on the first block, so same way you have to complete the fourth row also. It's very simple, guys. Okay, so likewise you have to complete this whole row. Okay, now I'm going to show how to make this zigzag pattern at the end of the row. So let's start. So guys, take the other colored yarn, the off-white, 3 chain, double crochet on the first block, then again double crochet on the second block, double crochet on the same second block. Okay, so again double crochet on the next third block, double crochet third block. So same way you have to create this, double crochet the last row. So guys, I have created this V pattern. So at the end, take one chain and cut the yarn. So next I'll be doing this design. So take the 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, then double crochet in between these 2 crochet. Okay, then again double crochet and go in between the second V which you had created before. In between that, double crochet, again double crochet on the same V. Okay, double crochet, go to the third V, again double crochet, so guys, as you can see, it's created the V pattern here. As you can see here. So at the end, take one chain, and cut this yarn. So again double crochet on the second V which we had created. Double crochet third V, so guys, this end design I had complete. Yeah. So guys, it's very easy to do this crochet muffler. So block crochet. Then last 3 rows I have done the zigzag pattern crochet. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please do try this at home. It's very simple and easy crochet muffler for kids. Thank you.